Welcome to Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, an institute of national importance with a 60-year legacy in producing world-class professionals. Established in 1963 as Malviya Regional Engineering College, it became National Institute of Technology in 2002. With a diverse range of UG and PG programs, MNIT is governed by a Ministry of Education, Government of India. MNIT Jaipur is strategically located in Pink City and offers an ideal starting point for a journey of academic and personal development. At the heart of MNIT Jaipur stands the magnificent Prabha Bhavan with its high energy efficient design and features. It houses administrative offices, auditoriums, data center, extensive 24/7 computer center, national knowledge network centers, virtual classrooms to enable distance learning, and director's office. Institute is equipped with modern classrooms, state-of-the-art laboratories, research centers, and a library equipped with latest amenities. Vivekanand Lecture Theatre Complex is one of the largest academic complexes in Asia, with centrally air-conditioned classrooms of 120 and 240 seating capacities. MNIT Jaipur has excelled in UG and PG education by integrating New Education Policy 2020, offering honors and minor specializations. MNIT admits about 1,600 students each year. Approximately 300 faculty members across the departments strive to deliver various courses to them. Mechanical engineering focuses on tribology studies, precision machining, hydrogen-fueled engines, automotive vibration, fluid dynamics for supersonic vehicles, agricultural machinery, Industry 4.0, Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering excels in alloy development, high entropy alloys, and additive manufacturing. Materials Research Center supports cutting-edge research in material science, nanotechnology, and engineering through state-of-art equipments. The institute is at the forefront of research with 44 patents awarded, research projects worth Rs 88.89 crore, and consultancy projects worth Rs 55.65 crore in past 5 years. Innovation and Incubation Center of the institute supports 124 startups. ISRO Regional Academic Center for Space supports space-related research worth Rs 5.39 crores. Central Library uses state-of-the-art library management software and smart cards. MNIT Jaipur encourages exchange programs and joint research with leading establishments across the globe. Strong alumni relations are fostered through engagement programs and recognitions. Institute alumni have made significant national and global contributions across various fields. MNIT Jaipur hosts scientists, eminent personalities, and experts, providing students and faculty with valuable learning and networking opportunities. MNIT Jaipur boasts a strong placement record, with top companies seeking its graduates. Institute's industry connections and placement cell ensure students are well prepared for successful careers in national and global markets. Institute proudly acknowledges the exemplifying excellence by women of MNIT. Nearly 50% of gold medal honors are backed by women in UG and PG courses, who represent only 27% of the student strength. Women candidates have also pioneered in securing reputed positions in top recruiting companies through campus placement drives. Girl students actively participate in cultural, sports, and technical events and bring accolades to the institute. Nevertheless, the role of women in institute management and building by holding key administrative positions is worth mentioning. A variety of cultural and technical clubs with Cultural Fest and Tech Fest foster a strong ecosystem and help students grow both professionally and personally. World-class sports facilities enhance students' physical well-being. Under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, MNIT associates with villages wherein students actively participate in community upliftment. MNIT participates in International Day of Yoga, Har Ghar Tiranga, Swachhata Abhiyan, and other government initiatives. Student mental wellness is a major focus at MNIT, addressed through various initiatives like Wellness Club and camps, student mentorship, and comprehensive counseling services. Looking at facilities for staff and students, MNIT boasts refined living experience. Campus accommodates students in 14+ hostels, each equipped with essential amenities to provide a comfortable home for students. Fully equipped dispensaries ensure comprehensive healthcare services. 2 well-furnished luxurious guest houses, Indradhanush and Suryodaya, host dignitaries visiting the institute. Campus life is greatly enhanced by diverse interaction spaces such as Pratap Sthal, OAT, canteens, and central lawn, fostering a vibrant and engaging environment for students. Recently, MNIT Jaipur celebrated its Diamond Jubilee, marking 60 glorious years of excellence and a rich history of achievements. As the graduates of MNIT Jaipur step into the world, they carry with them the knowledge, spirits, and resilience that this institution has nurtured in them. The journey continues both for them and for MNIT Jaipur as we strive for greater heights, deeper knowledge, and a brighter future.